Important articles and amendments. Article 51, establishing international peace and cooperation. Article 21A, education is fundamental right of children. Article 17, prohibits of untouchability. Article 371J, the most backward regions of Karnataka, special status. 73rd Amendment, uniform system of Panchayat Raj institution throughout the country. 42nd Amendment, secular and socialist were added on 1976. 86th Amendment, free and compulsory education to all children between the age of 6 to 14 years. Article 24, prohibits of child labor. Importance of years and acts. The Human Rights Declaration on December 10, 1948. United Nations Organization was founded on October 24, 1945. Indian Constitution was adopted in the year January 26, 1950. Vishala Mysuru state came into existence on November 10, 1956. The Second World War started with the Germans' occupation of Poland on September 1, 1939. Reserve Bank of India established on April 1, 1935, but it was nationalized on January 1, 1949. World Trade Organization was established at Geneva on January 1, 1995. GST has been introduced on July 1, 2017. The World Consumer Day is celebrated on March 15, 1962. Untouchability Crime Act implemented in the year 1955. Civil Rights Protection Act implemented in the year 1976. Japan, a small country from Asia, defeated Russia in the year 1905. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act implemented in the year 1986. Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act implemented in the year 2012. Child Marriage Prohibition Act implemented in the year 2006. Immoral Human Trafficking Prevention Act implemented in the year 1956. Children Helpline Number 1098. Adolescent Labor Prohibition Act implemented in the year 2016. Indian Councils Act separate Electorate College in the year 1909. Consumer Protection Act implemented in the year 1986. Food and Agriculture Organization established at Rome in 1945. World Health Organization, Geneva 1948. UNESCO, Paris 1946. International Monetary Fund, Washington, D.C. 1945. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, Washington 1947. International Labour Organization, Geneva. World Trade Organization, Geneva. International Court of Justice is at Hague. The present Secretary General of UNO is Antonio Guterres. Permanent member of UNO Security Council are France, Russia, China, America, and England. Important treaty and agreements. First Anglo-Maratha War ended with Salbai Agreement. The Second Anglo-Maratha War ended with the Treaty of Basin. The Anglo-Sikh War ended with the Lahore Agreement. The First Anglo-Mysore War ended with Madras Treaty. The Second Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Mangalore. Third Anglo-Mysore War ended with the Treaty of Srirangapatnam.